Performance review process. Performance reviews enhance employee engagement and development while helping organizations maintain a high-performing and goal-aligned workforce. The Human Resources module comes pre-configured with a performance review process which can be defined to trigger at a routine frequency for an employee. The process seamlessly assists both employees and their managers to fill out review forms and assess work satisfaction along with development needs. Initiating the performance review process. There are two ways to initiate the performance review process. The first method is to navigate to the Employees List page and select all the employees for whom you need to initiate the performance review process. Once selected, go to the HR Processes button and press Begin Performance Review Process. This method is useful when a batch of employees are required to be initiated for performance review. The second method is to navigate to the Details page of an employee. Next, go to the HR Processes button and click Begin Performance Review Process. You can set the performance review date and the recurrence of review frequency in months and then click OK. The process has now been initiated for the subject employee only. The performance review process. The performance review will progress through the following steps. Step 1. Manager meeting confirmation. A task will be set for the manager to confirm the meeting time based on the specified review date. The manager has the option to change the meeting date or cancel the performance review upon completion of this task. Step 2. Employee pre-review form. Following the manager's confirmation, the employee receives an email requesting them to complete a pre-review form. Completion of all fields on this form is mandatory. Step 3. Manager's assessment. Subsequently, the manager is tasked with answering the same set of questions, evaluating the employee's performance. The form displays the employee's responses to the manager, but the employee fields are read-only. Step 4. Report generation. Once the manager completes their assessment, a report containing both manager and employee responses is generated and sent to the manager for reference during the performance review meeting. Step 5. Performance review meeting. Following the report generation, the manager is assigned a task to conduct the performance review meeting with the employee. This task will appear within the task portal. Please see the Viewing and Completing a Task tutorial for more details. Step 6. Recurrence. The task has an attached form which can be accessed here. You can change the recurrence rate in months here. Finally, submit the form and the system will automatically create another performance review item with the review date set at the specified time interval, thus initiating the entire process. Come back to your performance review task and mark it as completed. Note: all stages of this process can be customized to align with your specific business needs. Whether you want to modify email content sent to employees or adjust the questions on the form, Rapid Platform offers that flexibility. Please reach out to a Rapid representative for assistance. Viewing performance review records. There are two ways to view the performance review records. First is via the Performance Reviews list page. To access the same, navigate to Human Resources from the Explorer sidebar and then Performance Reviews. You are now on the Performance Reviews list page. This page displays all the records for performance reviews carried out for employees. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar for specific records. If an employee has undergone the performance review cycle multiple times, it will be displayed here as multiple records. Click on the title of the record to view details of performance. You can also visit the Performance Review tab to look at the responses from employee and manager to specific performance questions. The second method is to access the employee record. Navigate to Human Resources from Explorer sidebar, then click Employees. Search for the desired employee and click on the title of the record. Now, navigate to the HR tab and click Performance Reviews. This will show the list of all the performance reviews the employee has been subjected to. Click on the title of the record and the details will open up.